Good morning. Welcome to your 10 a.m. daily weather briefing. We have some pleasant conditions across the region this morning. Going to see that continuing for the rest of the day today and continuing through the rest of the week with no chance of precipitation through the rest of the week. We're going to see a backdoor cold front sag across the area for Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday, giving us some cooler conditions as well as some low clouds from time to time and some slightly breezy onshore flow. But overall for today, temperatures well above normal in the mid-60s. For our highs, we'll see temperatures, as I mentioned, cool down for the rest of the week. But overall, looking like a very nice week in store with not much in the way of adverse weather across the area. So looking at the sounding from this morning, freezing level at 8,900 feet. Our winds out of the northeast in the low levels up to about 9,000 feet, and light in general. Seeing winds anywhere from about 15 to 20 knots. And seeing our winds increase slightly at the upper level ridge overhead this morning, and only seeing a peak wind out of the northwest at 31 knots at 25,000 feet this morning. Current surface analysis, we do have an area low pressure off the Carolina coast. It's going to continue to move off the east and away from our area. We have an area high pressure currently in our region that's going to be providing us with nice conditions today, and we'll see a backdoor cold front slide in the region for our Wednesday. As I mentioned, that boundary is going to kind of hang out across the region from Wednesday through Friday, possibly giving us some low clouds and some slightly breezy winds from time to time. So taking a look at our satellite imagery this morning, you can see that area low pressure well off our coast to the south and to the east. Across the area, seeing sunny skies, very nice conditions this morning with light winds. And taking a look at the European model for the next few days here, see the area low pressure moving off the coast, high pressure in control of our weather pattern. And then we'll see a high build into the northeast states for tomorrow. That's going to push that backdoor cold front through the region. Looks like it should do so by mid to late morning on Wednesday, and that's going to cap our highs in the mid-50s. If that backdoor cold front is a little bit weaker or delayed in coming through the area, we'll see temperatures a bit warmer into the lower 60s. But right now it looks like we'll see highs in the mid-50s for our Wednesday. And then for our Thursday, we'll see that boundary kind of still remaining across the region as a stationary front. We'll see some low clouds during the morning, and going to see temperatures once again in the mid-upper 50s for our Thursday. And then for Friday, looking like we'll see that backdoor cold front kind of sag farther to the south, and that's going to give us more low clouds for Friday, some cooler temperatures with highs in the lower 50s. As I mentioned, no chance of precipitation through the end of the work week. And then Saturday we'll see a warm front move through during the morning hours. That could give us a brief shower with that warm front, but looking like that'll be only about a 10 to 15% chance this time. And then for our Saturday afternoon, we'll see warm conditions in general across the region. A bit cooler right along the coast here with a southerly wind, but overall seeing temperatures warmer across the region for Saturday. And into Sunday, much the same. We'll see a cold front approaching. Looks like Sunday should be dry across the area for much of the day. Could be seeing a shower move through late during the afternoon into the evening hours, but right now the models continue to delay this front coming through for Sunday, and looking like we'll see some mild to warm conditions on Sunday once again, some breezy weather, as well as that chance of a shower moving through late in the day. And then looks like with this system moving through on Sunday night into Monday, we'll see some rainy conditions Monday morning, possibly lingering into Monday afternoon. We'll continue to monitor that as we get closer to the forecast for early next week. Our risk chart for today, we'll see a high today of 65 degrees, so a very nice day across the region. A low tonight around 43, green chart across the board. We'll see northerly winds fairly light this morning, becoming more northeasterly this afternoon, and then a brief turn to the southwest for later on this afternoon and the evening hours. And then overnight, we'll see that wind fairly light in general. Could be seeing winds out of the west to southwest around 48 knots. And then with that backdoor cold front starting to approach the area by 8 local on Wednesday morning, we'll be seeing those winds start to shift out of the north-northeast at 5 to 10 knots. So our 24-hour terminal forecast, we'll see VFR conditions in the next 24 hours. And in general, lots of sunshine across the region today. And we'll see, in general, tomorrow morning, mostly sunny skies with just some scattered cirrus clouds around 25,000 feet. Our tides are running normal, and looking at our Wednesday to Thursday. Wednesday, mostly sunny to partly cloudy with slightly breezy onshore flow. Have a high of 57 degrees. Looking like those winds will be gusting around 22 to 23 knots with that backdoor cold front sliding through. As I mentioned, the high temperatures for Wednesday and Thursday are a bit tricky, as that boundary could be a little bit weaker than the model show, or moving through here a little bit quicker. So seeing those temperatures in the mid to upper 50s for both days as of right now. And then Wednesday night, partly to mostly cloudy with a chance of low clouds, low 43. And for Thursday, partly to mostly cloudy once again. The chance of some low clouds come back in the area late in the day, high of 58 degrees. So the next 7 days, looking at temperatures, the coolest on our Friday, with lots of cloud cover in the low levels, as well as some slightly breezy onshore flow, high of 53 degrees. And then we'll see those temperatures warm back up for Saturday and Sunday into the 60s. We'll see 65 on Saturday, 66 on Sunday, with that better chance of rainfall coming during the Sunday evening time frame into the Monday morning time frame. And Monday right now looks like we'll see temperatures in the 50s throughout much of the day. It really depends on when that front does move through the region. Some of the models are a little bit delayed, more so than others, and other models are bringing that front through the area, for Sunday night and Monday. So right now it's sticking with temperatures in the mid to upper 50s for Monday, but that forecast is most likely going to change as we get closer. Well, that'll complete our 10 a.m. daily weather briefing. I hope everybody has a great day today. Back tomorrow morning, 8:15 and 10 a.m.